Support levels act as barriers preventing the price from falling below them. In technical terms, support is a price level where the cryptocurrency has bounced back up before and is therefore likely to bounce back up again. Let me give you an example to make things easier to understand. Imagine that Bitcoin is worth $30,000. Then the price starts falling and it reaches $20,000. The price then doesn't fall below $20,000 and instead it starts rising back again. $20,000 would therefore be a support level. Resistance levels are the opposite of support levels. Instead of acting as barriers preventing the price from falling below them, they act as barriers preventing the price from going above them. In technical terms, resistance is a price level where the cryptocurrency has fallen from before, and is therefore likely to fall down again once it reaches it there. Let me give you an example again to make things easier to understand. Imagine that Bitcoin is worth $20,000. Then the price starts rising and it reaches $30,000. The price is unable to break above $30,000 and then it starts falling down from there. In that case, $30,000 would be a resistance level.